Hi everyone, my name is Patrick with Scott & Branham Consulting and Training Services. Our company is dedicated to providing the highest quality Udemy courses as well as continually updating these courses. So once you enroll in one of our courses, you'll know that you'll always have the most up-to-date and accurate information on the subject that you want to learn. At the end of this course, you're going to be able to reduce your workload significantly if you work with Excel a lot. We're going to show you how to put all these repetitive tasks that you perform in Excel every day into a macro and then be able to run that macro with a single keystroke or a single click. So what are we going to be talking about in this course? Well, to start off, we're going to be showing you what a macro is and several situations in which they can be useful and time-saving tools. Next, we're going to be jumping right into the macro recorder and show you how to create your very own macro. Then we're going to look at the back end of that macro and take a look at the VBA or Visual Basic for Applications environment and show you the code that the macro generates. After that, we're going to be showing you the many different ways to run a macro. Do you want to run it with a keystroke? Do you want to run it with a button, etc., etc.? We're going to show you that. Next, we're going to be jumping right back into VBA, and we're going to be creating a new macro and then adding code to that macro directly. So we're going to start with a conditional if statement that will allow you to run your macro based on the context of your Excel worksheet. And then we're going to jump into for next statements, do while loops, and do until loops. These will let you run your macro dynamically based on the data that you have in Excel. So if you're interested in reducing your workload significantly with Excel, go ahead and test out the preview. And if you like the preview, go ahead and press that enroll button. I look forward to seeing you in class.